Hello guys, welcome to today's video by Trust Stanley at TS Tech Talks video. So in today's video guys, I'm going to show you how to create a group on WhatsApp. I'm just going to make this real quick because a lot of people already know how to do that. So for those who do not know how to do that, just stick to this video. So all you need to do to create a WhatsApp group is come over here where it says WhatsApp business. Because I've been making tutorial on WhatsApp business. So it's the same thing with WhatsApp anyway. So once you click on WhatsApp business, it brings you to this area. So to create a group, all you need to do is to click on this three dotted icon and then select new group right there. So you need to select the contact you want to add to the group, as many as they are. Even though once you have the person's number saved, you don't necessarily need to have their name display. You can just put it. If you want to add more people, just go ahead and click on this search and then search for more people's name and then add them. So once you're done selecting, click on this forward arrow right here just before the keyboard section. So once you click on it, it will display you this option to enter a group name. Go ahead and put in a group name. So I'm going to say so this is TS Tech group. Oh, there's a typo. So put an image that displays on the group. Click on this image icon, and now you can notice where it has camera gallery option. Click on the gallery option and then click on where your image is located. I'm going to make use of this one. Actually, this is saying WhatsApp business. And then guys, once I click on this forward, it's going to be created and it's going to notify all of these people in my contact list that they were added to a group. Now the quick thing is these people didn't know I'm creating a group, and this is just for a tutorial base, and it's been a while I chatted with these people, so they might find it weird, but don't worry. Anyway, after creating this group, I'm going to remove everybody in this group. So once you're ready to create the group, go ahead and click on this check icon right here. Once you click on that, it's going to load up and say couldn't add these two people, right? So you can invite them to the group by clicking on invite. So just say forward. So they are going to be invited to the group. That is probably because the media account's private, so nobody will be able to add them in a random group if they haven't chatted them for a while, so they need to accept it. So click on this option right here. You can notice these are the 5 participants that were successfully added, and if you want to add more people to the group, go ahead and click on add participant to the group. Now you notice the 2 people that have been invited are all displaying right here. Now one more thing, you can always change your group name whenever you want by clicking on this 3 dotted icon and changing the names. That's pretty easy. So that is much it, guys. And then one more thing you can do, you can also label this actually as well and say order complete, save. So that is what I added to the label. So guys, if you want to remove anybody from a group, it's as easy as clicking on the person, and you can notice where it says remove the person. So all you need to do is to click on remove and click OK. The person will be removed, and anybody you remove, you will not be able to add them back within 48 hours. And then another thing, guys, if you want to make a new admin, all you need to do is to tap on the account, and you can notice where it says make a group admin. So go ahead and click on make a group admin by tapping that option to make a group admin. Now you can see that we have 2 group admin right here, which is also successful. So if you guys are okay with this, I think that is probably all for this video. All I need to do is to remove this account and then delete these people. So thank you guys for watching this video. Please like and do subscribe to the channel if you enjoyed this video. Make sure I see you on my next video. Peace.